G'day Evie Network and welcome back to another episode of Evie News. BHP have made moves to create what they're calling the green electric vehicle ecosystem with two major Japanese businesses. The MOU between BHP, Prime Planet Energy Solutions and Toyota Tsusho Corporation will have Prime Planet Energy Solutions turn the nickel sulfate into lower carbon batteries for manufacturers like Toyota. The aim is to make an impact on battery supply chains, with the demand for nickel forecasted to grow over 500% over the next 10 years with the global uptake of electric vehicles. Next up, a story we all love to see: Australian manufacturing scoring a little win in the electric vehicle revolution. Savic Motorcycles is set to become Australia's first high-performance electric motorcycle manufacturer. The company was founded by ex-Ford Australia optimization engineer Dennis Savage, and they look pretty cool, kind of like Will Smith's Audi in iRobot. Anyway, the entry-level model is expected to be priced at $12,990 excluding on-road costs. Speaking of Ford, it seems that the Ford F-150 Lightning and Mach-E are not currently being considered for the Australian market, which is pretty disappointing given the reception for the two vehicles in the United States and the enormous market for utes in Australia. Nevertheless, Ford are launching an EV in Australia soon, the Ford ETransit van. And while it probably isn't the glamorous news that you want to hear, a utility vehicle like a van will be of immense value to fleet operators. And at least for the time being, fleet purchases are going to be where electric vehicles have the biggest impact at this early stage in the game here in Australia. Ford Australia apparently conducted a survey of fleet operators, and over half responded that they would consider an electric vehicle for their next fleet purchase. Now, while we don't know how many businesses were actually surveyed, that is a promising statistic. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching EV News. If you liked this video, please give us a like and a subscribe, and find out where your local EV fast charger is in the link below. See you next week.